Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this SmartDevil small humidifier. With 500ml portable mini plant humidifier here, it looks really cool. And it is not only a humidifier, it is a torch too. It is a USB personal desk humidifier for the bedroom, for the office, for travel with nightlight too. This is an extra feature. We have an automatic shut-off function. It's super quiet, and in this case, it's gray. It's possible to get this in white and blue and a lot of other colors on the market. The personal humidifier produces a near-silent frequency, 28 decibel ensuring quiet operation. This desk humidifier won't bother us while sleeping, working, or reading. There are two night light functions, constant light and breathing light. We can adjust or turn off the light according to our favorite. This USB humidifier automatically powers off after 8 hours of operation to eliminate safety hazards. This humidifier needs to be plugged in for operation, of course. The small humidifier has two modes, continuous spray and intermittent spray. This stops 3 seconds. We can adjust the spray amount as needed. It can effectively moisture dry skin and helps us reduce the skin peeling or relief from sinus issues. With a portable and a small design, 3.8 inches to 4.8 inches, this portable mini humidifier is perfect for travel, nightstand, and, of course, for the office. The desk humidifier is recommended to use clean tap water. Ban to use pure water, distilled water, or bottled water, which will cause water to accumulate in the mist outlet of the humidifier. SmartDevil defeats super dry air for the ultimate comfort. This is the J13 small portable humidifier. It's not only a humidifier, it's a nightlight, switchable too if we like. We have 28 decibel low noise, auto shut off. That's safe for us. Quiet operation, auto shut off, and a night light in one device. It's perfect for plants in dry season. It take it everywhere, perfect for traveling, for example. And yes, we recommend using a tap water to avoid water pooling on the top. And we should not use essential oils, because adding essential oils may cause the humidifier to block. We can spray alone with the nightlight mode. We can use them individually, and it cannot be used wireless. The humidifier runs only with USB-C power. It does not have a battery. It's not USB-C, it's USB, micro USB. We can have here the snow mountain humidifier, because on the top it looks like a mountain. The model is the GXZ J6293. The material is ABS, PP, PC, and silicon hardware and electronic parts. The input voltage is DC 5 volt. This is USB. The working current is 200 up 450 milliampere. The using power is only up to 2 watt. Maximum is 25 watt. The water capacity is 500 milliliter. The spray amount is 30 milliliter up to 50 milliliter per hour. The product size is 95 to 129 millimeter. The product weight is only 236 grams. And it is a really cool thing. We can have a spray button there. First, single press, mist button to start the continuous mist mode. Second, single press, the mist button to start the intermediate mode. It sprays 3 seconds and stop 2 seconds. And the third, single press mist button to turn it off, all the mist modes. The night lamp function we can easily get with a long press, the mist button, for 1 second. The LED light will be on, warm light. Long press the button to the second time, the LED will be on, breathing light. Long press the mist button third time, and the LED will switch off. And we have a USB charging port. The input 5V to charge humidifier by USB port. You can use your computer, use your laptop, your AC adapter from your smartphone, for example. Lack of water protection. When the water level is low, then the stylus pen, it will stop working, of course. We have a charging indicator. The red light is on when the input 5V is charging. When the water level is lower than the stylus pen, the red light flashes 3 times and then it stops. And it's really easy to operate with the device. We open the upper cover counterclockwise. We add water in this water tank. We tighten the cover clockwise and connect it to the USB. We click the button to start the humidifier. For example, the cotton filter replacement is easy too. We pull out the cotton filter to replacement, and then we have tension about the spring on the bottom. We should add water before using this product. Humidifying function is profitability in case of water shortage. This product cannot be add any essential oil or perfume to avoid oil clogging to the transducer. The product is designed with water lacking protection. When it lacks water, the humidifier will automatically stop the mist spray. To continue working, we insert water again to the maximum level. We do not apply the water on the machine directly in case of short circuit of the machine to use soft cotton to wipe. And children under age of 6 should accompanied by adults to use the machine. That's the really cool looking SmartDevil small humidifier. With a 500ml portable mini plant humidifier, you're on the best here. It's a USB personal desk humidifier for the bedroom, for the office, for travel, with nightlight function. Auto shut off, and it's really super quiet. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。